Hi everyone, I hope everyone is fine. So today we are going to learn the steps for downloading Parmanu iCoach app. So this is our Parmanu Institute of Learning. Especially the mission of our institute is to provide the quality education to the students, to the teenagers, to bring about their intellectual and spiritual growth. Okay, so along with our Parmanu Institute of Learning, our digital partners are Navneet, Top Scorer app, and Class Plus. We offer following courses: CBSE Board Standard 8 to 12, all video lectures, assignments, and online tests for each lecture. Maharashtra Board from Standard 8 to 12, all video lectures, all practice problems, and all online tests for each lecture. JEE and NEET Foundation from Standard 8 to 10 as well as 11 12, and JEE and NEET Standard 11 and 12. Okay. So first step is type Parmanu iCoach in Play Store like this, Parmanu iCoach, and you will get this Parmanu iCoach logo like this brain logo. Okay, you can download it. Once you download, the second step is we have to do login. So as soon as you click on the app, it will ask you enter your mobile number. So you should enter your mobile number which is with you, because on this there will be OTP sent. So you will have to, next step, you will have to enter the OTP sent to your mobile number. Okay, and then verify your mobile number. We use this mobile number as a contact for a student so that we can provide you all our facilities properly. Now you can set up your account, that is step number 3, as a student or as a parent. So if you are setting up as a student, you can click on the student, then you will have to write your name, email, same mobile number, and register here. Okay, once this is done, you will be able to see all the courses. Okay, so you can see all these are the courses which are available on our app. Now especially those who are going to give the scholarship test, for them you will be added in one of the batch. This is standard 10th July batch. So once you click on this batch, यहाँ पे आपको click करना है. So then you will go to this window. So you will see on the top overview, attendance, assignments, etc. So like this you can click on attendance, assignments, announcement. There is nothing right now because you are newly added. No announcement, no assignments, no attendance. Right now you can give the scholarship test by clicking on this test, and like this you will be assigned one test by our coordinator. So if you are not assigned our test, you can contact to us that sir, I am not able to see my test. You can click on the attempt, then you will get all these general instructions. From this step onwards, you cannot take screenshots. I have captured these as the photos from another mobile. Okay, now henceforth please solve the test very sincerely. Please do not use any cheats or etc. All these are general instruction. This is a time test. The running time is displayed on the top left corner of the screen. So you can read all these instructions properly and you will come to know how the test is going to be. Okay. Then once the instructions you have read, you can click on the next. So you will get the next window like this, test sections. So we have added in our scholarship test mathematics and science 15 questions of maths and 15 questions of science. Each question carries plus 4 marks. So 60 marks for maths, 60 marks for science. And all the questions carry negative marking also. So plus 4 minus 1. अगर आपने करेक्ट सॉल्व किया तो आपको प्लस 4 मार्क्स मिलेंगे और इनकरेक्ट सॉल्व किया तो -1 मार्क मिलेगा. ठीक है. देन वंस यू click on this, I have read and understood the instruction on this icon. Then you can click on attempt test, and then you can click on attempt test, and like this questions will be visible. Questions and the options will be displayed here. So you can solve mathematics, science as per your time. So you will see in the left top corner, you are able to see the time. So 59 minutes, so 60 minutes is the time. So now this is the beginning of the test, so therefore 59 minutes are remaining. Then how much seconds are completed, how much time you have taken for each question, that is shown here. You can click on previous or next question, and then finally on the last question you can say submit the test. Okay, once you submit the test, your score will be generated like this. Okay. You can even see, analyze your result, how much you were accurate, etc. All right. So now you should understand which are your strengths, which are your weaknesses, in which part you are lagging, and now to fulfill all those needs, you can enroll for the full course or mini course shown on our app. Okay. Or you will be added to one of the batch. Detailed features of lecture wise online test. Every lecture we have online test, so we add the questions based on that. Every lecture you can solve like this. Every day we take the test of every single subject, so that your practice will be done and you test yourself. So there were 9 questions, correct answers were 5, incorrect 4. Then as per that you got the marks 16 out of 36 like this. Okay. You can also visualize how many questions were correct, how many were incorrect, and you can get to know whole summary. And you can analyze your strengths and weaknesses. Also you can see the solution, which answer was incorrect, what was the right answer, and which one was correct. Features of our Parmanu iCourse. So as you have seen already, there is organized study material. All the video lectures of all the subjects are assigned to you as per your batch. Online test. So as per your batch, you will give the online test for each lecture. Then there are online assignments for each lecture. Then there are announcements. Once you are joined to our yearly course, you will get all the announcements. Your smart attendance will be taken so that it will replace your paperwork. And live chat, you can actually ask the questions if the classes are live streaming classes. Okay, in case you have any doubts. So this is how you can practice online test with reports. The reports are very nicely generated. Learn anytime, anywhere. It's all about asking. Please keep on ask the question, and our one-stop solution is Parmanu iCourse. So please download it now itself. Okay. Who are our expert faculties? Our physics faculty is Professor Dhananjay Joshi, who has completed his BTech and MTech from ENTC from NIT Warangal. Then biology faculty Professor Harsha Joshi, MSc Biotechnology, University ranker and NET qualified. Maths faculty Professor Sachin Raut, myself, BTech, IT, College of Engineering, Pune. Chemistry faculty Professor Akshay Ghodke, BTech from Mechanical HGGS Nanded. So all these are our expert faculties. Our coordinator is Mr. Prashant Chaudhar, BE Mechanical. You can always contact him for any doubts if you have. And 24/7, your own digital teacher is Parmanu iCourse. This will be with you in our mobile. So in this very dangerous period of COVID-19, stay safe, stay home and stay digital. Don't go to coaching classes next year. Learn at home. Here is the coaching institute at your home comfort. Okay. These are the courses which we offer, as I discussed already. Standard 8, 9, 10 JEE NEET Foundation Complete Study Package. Standard 11, 12 JEE NEET Online Complete Study Package. Standard 8, 9, 10 CBSE Board. Standard 8, 9, 10 Maharashtra Board. Okay. So I request all of you parents, give your child its own digital teacher so that they come to know safely at home. They learn everything from these expert teachers. Live streaming classes will be there. Personal attention by individual communication will be done by all the coordinators and faculties. So this is complete 1 year online course. I hereby encourage every one of you to kindly register for this course, and for 1 full year you will get all the live streaming classes with digital attendance, complete audio visual content through Navneet Top Scorer, personal attention to students through the individual communication and monitoring, online tests and exams to enhance performance, live doubt solving sessions to clarify the queries, previous videos on the topics available offline. Once you register for the course, previous videos which you might have missed, you can always see them offline. Extra topics for preparation of scholarship test and competitive exams, online assignments and online submissions. You can do all these things in our course. So for further details you can always call us on these two numbers. Okay, first number is 7972 409573 and second number is 8459 888 458. You can also mail us to Parmanu Institute of Learning @gmail.com for your any queries if you have. So I hope you have enjoyed the journey of Parmanu Institute of Learning till now, and I wish you all of you best of luck for your scholarship test, and I hope the initial first 5 toppers will get the great benefit in this particular scholarship test. Okay, so I wish you all best of luck to all of you. Please solve the test very sincerely, and I wish that most of you come in the first 5 top. Thank you very much.